couldn't believe it. My dentist said, Ted, you've got 22% less cholesterol than we thought.
Later, I found out that it was
The new Fisher-Price Doodle Table.
Loaded with real mountain bike features.
And no pieces to lose.
Well, JCPenney also has a simple answer. It's a real revolution.
Now this is something really exciting.
Affordable housing for mature adults 55 and older.
But something's missing.
The simple trick every mom should keep up her sleeve.
No cuffs. Just hold the tester in your urine stream.
To taste tender, juicy, and delicious.
Chewy chocolate caramel covered with rich chocolate.
With a thick formula so powerful, it's like
The dawn of power.
Rushing concentrated medicines to relieve your worst cold.
While a special new ingredient helps keep colors bright.
But in fact, sudden changes in his diet can sometimes lead to stomach discomfort.
Bloating, backaches. Advil didn't help.
And her doctor suggested
For itchy patches of dry skin.
a 24-hour stream of medicine that's always with you, even when you first wake up.
Which is why at Nokia, we make wireless phones with screens that are 100% pure Florida orange juice.
And a fresh weave cover that work together to help keep moisture and odor away from you.
But why do you still need all that body lotion after?
It's not just the sun. The wind. Or the cold. One of the harshest environments for your baby can be the inside of
An incredible selection of handmade chocolates.
That really tastes like homemade.
But what can we do?
I got some help.
Anti-wrinkle cream.
All the wetness and odor protection of a white stick. Now,
With pickles and onions.
You're not going to eat that.
Come on, it's a celebration. Hey,
That would give me such indigestion.
Not if you took a sunshiny yellow bag of rich, creamy Nestle Toll House morsels.
The delicious shake that's got 25 vitamins and minerals.
Crispy oven-baked taste from the microwave.
powerful suction to dry carpets quickly.
Micropins for extra comfort.
Ready to eat in individual cups.
Feels more soothing and works longer between doses.
The only complete line of nutritionally smart foods made just for toddlers. With the crisscross design that supports for a natural shape.
Just $1.99 a month for 24 months with only $500 down.
And there's no chance of side effects from unnecessary medicine.
Even in the hottest liquids, when other adhesives stop holding,
The one and only taste of professional strength Lysol drain opener.
Helps take years off the look of skin.
It's as easy as tic-tac-toe.
yet today something remarkable is happening.
Big, tender bites of beef, potatoes, and carrots with bread dip and gravy.
Gives you the most fluffy softness. Eliminates 99.9% of germs you've come in contact with.
I still don't shower.
Why do I do that?
Some people want more.
And that's why I wear Always with Wings.
The only leading salsa from a real Mexican restaurant.
Now in a non-drowsy cutlet. Add them to soups and stews and fill your home with warmth.
You'll know it's right. And be less gassy.
But I want to share in Nikki's feedings, too.
So we created non-drowsy
Big fish sandwich. And you can get it with
One ingredient for aches and pains, another for sinus congestion.
How come?
Certain people are feeling pretty lonely these days.
Not anymore.
Touch those dry, cracked feet around the nails and cuticles. Athlete's feet, jock itch, psoriasis.
So I told her about everything from roast pork to steamed shrimp and
Real whole blueberries, ripened by the summer sun.
With an incredible protein formula.
The safety of dual airbags. Even a filtration system that removes virtually all dust and pollen from the air.
And the meaty goodness you can't get from dry food alone.
It doesn't just look different and feel better going down.
It was hailed as nearly perfect.
So you can eat and eat and eat and not feel the least bit guilty.
Give your family all the nutrition of a complete meal.
Our sauce is brimming with luscious tomatoes. 14 herbs and spices.
Lots of cozy furniture.
more breath-freshening flavor.
And it's affordable.
They go on like underwear.
You put it on before you shampoo.
It has a unique antibacterial formula other liquid soaps don't.
Hot caramel apple pie a la mode. With an advanced polymer complex. It's really easy to use. Is it sturdy, though? Sure, it's hot roasted to bring out more flavor.
All I know is it really works.
Did you take Sudafed for your stuffy nose?
No, I took maximum strength
Carpet cleaner. So advanced, it even gets out germs and odors in the sponge.
Now you can stop all that scrubbing. Take a Playtex tampon out of its applicator and
Feed them to your goblins.
Yummy.
My favorite.
How about trying the big, ripe, sweet taste of
50 hamburgers shaped like squirrels.
and the bacon. And then you know what would happen? Something good.
The woman in first class is taking Robitussin DM, while the woman in coach has discovered
new mini cupcakes from Tasty Cake.